In this video, we will answer the question, how do campus activities hone one's leadership skills? Campus activities play a crucial role in the holistic development of students beyond academics. They provide opportunities for personal growth, leadership, and social interaction while enhancing the overall student experience. Here's why they are important. Number 1. Enhancing personal and social development. Campus activities encourage students to step out of their comfort zones, helping them build confidence, develop interpersonal skills, and cultivate emotional intelligence. These activities provide students with a chance to interact with peers from diverse backgrounds, fostering inclusion and cultural awareness. Number 2. Developing leadership and teamwork skills. Participating in student organizations, clubs, or events allows students to take on leadership roles, manage teams, and solve problems collaboratively. Leadership and teamwork are vital life skills that are highly valued in both academic and professional settings. Number 3. Fostering a sense of belonging and community. Campus activities help students feel connected to their school or university. By participating in extracurricular activities, they create meaningful relationships with fellow students and faculty, building a supportive campus community that promotes well-being. Number 4. Balancing academic and social life is crucial for every student. Campus activities provide a balanced mix of academic focus and social interaction, which helps students relieve stress, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and stay motivated in their studies. It fosters mental well-being by giving students an outlet to relax and recharge. Number 5. Improving academic and career prospects. Many campus activities such as academic clubs, internships, and volunteering opportunities directly relate to academic fields, helping students gain practical experience. The skills learned through participation in these activities, such as communication, organization, and time management, are transferable to future careers. Number 6. Encouraging civic engagement and social responsibility. Through community service and social causes organized on campus, students develop a sense of civic responsibility. They learn the value of giving back to society and contributing positively to the community around them. Number 7. Building networks and professional relationships. Campus activities create networking opportunities for students to meet professionals, mentors, and peers with similar career aspirations. These relationships can open doors for future internships, job opportunities, and collaborations. In summary, campus activities are essential for providing students with opportunities for holistic growth, enriching their college experience, and equipping them with the skills necessary for success in the real world. There you have it. If you love self-improvement and skills development topics, then join our growing community of self-empowered individuals. Until next time, thank you for watching.